Hey, I'm Sandy Schreck, and it's fresh wreath season at Bush Roses. You can see here we have some great balsam wreaths. We have some other varieties of wreaths, noble, and some mixed pine wreaths. But you can see that I can't hook this one on the wreath again. We just can't let them go out as plain wreaths. We need to dress them up, get them ready to go to the party. So I just want to take a look. Here's our Christmas Up North look collection that has the variety of berries in it. A little bit of plaid ribbon coming in on that, but we added some depth and some of those materials in there. The wires are just brought to the back and hooked in. Other ones are glued in with Oasis Floral adhesive, the same adhesive that we glue in our corsages. Then at the end, I sprayed it with some finishing touch. That's a spray that will add moisture into your wreaths. So it's a great thing to spray in right before they go out. Here you can see our Nordic collection, a variety of textures, this great blueberry stem, some of the lunaria, seeded eucalyptus, and just done in a spiral pattern, just a great textural home decor look. And lastly, our traditional look with a little bit of glitz and glam, and featuring the velvet magnolia, velvet poinsettias, along with some glittery pine cones. That's a bush that works up really well, and then some of the cedar. All of those things can go outdoors and will last for years. So I hope you pick up some of these products and add them to the adornments, to those fresh wreaths, to really elevate them. I'm Sandy Schreck, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous wreaths for your customers. So if you want to learn how to create these wreaths and the ingredients that we used, make sure and visit the link that's in the description on this video.